Good evening, everyone. So, welcome to my YouTube channel, Magic. So, today we are going to discuss lecture 1 of probability theory. Okay. So, in this lecture, we will study what is called sample space. Okay? So, before starting the concept of sample space, or you can say definition, so we would like to say about what is experiment. Okay. So, what is experiment? Experiment. The process that generates a set of data is called experiment. Okay. For example 1, tossing a coin. Tossing a coin. So when we toss a coin, it has two aspects. Either you will get head as head, or T means tail. Tail. Okay. Tail. So what are the sets? Set of data is H and T. Okay. H and T. So tossing a coin, therefore tossing a coin is an experiment. Therefore, tossing a coin is an experiment. Second example is throwing a die. Throwing a die. Dice. Okay. Throwing a dice. Throwing a dice is also experiment because so we have dice has 1 to 6 numbers. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 4, 5, 6. This is set of data. Okay. Data. Therefore, throwing a dice is an experiment. Okay. So what is outcome? Outcome. What is outcome? Each member of the set of data of the set of each member of the set of data generated by an experiment is called outcome. For example 1, tossing a coin is an experiment. So what tossing a coin is an experiment. Set of data is H and T. Okay. So H is outcome. And T is also outcome. Because each member, H and T, are member of the set of data. Okay. Generated by experiment. Okay. Second example 2. Throwing a dice is an experiment. Set of data is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 are outcomes. Okay. Outcomes. Okay. Now, what is sample space? What is sample space? What is sample space? The set of all the possible outcomes of a statistical experiment is called a sample space. Called a sample space. Okay. It's called a sample space. It's called the sample space. And it is denoted by the symbol S. Okay. It is denoted by the symbol S. For example, tossing a coin. Example 1. Tossing a coin. What is the sample space? Sample space is S is equal to sample space S is equal to H and T, where H is head and T is tail. Example 2, throwing a dice. So what is sample space? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Tossing 2 coins, tossing a pair of coins. Example 3. Tossing a pair of coins. So 2 coins are tossed. So what is sample space? First coin gets head, second coin also gets head. First coin gets head and second coin gets tail. First coin gets tail, second gets head. First coin gets tail and the second coin also gets tail. So there are 4 outcomes. Okay. So sample space is HS, HT, TH and T. Example 4. Throwing a pair of dice. Throwing a pair of dice. So what is the sample space? Each die has number 1 to 6. So what is sample space? Sample space is 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6, 2, 1. Two, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 3, 5, 3, 6, 3, 7. Sorry, because die have only number 1 to 6. So in this order pair, first member is which first die is getting, and second number is the second die is getting number after throwing. Okay. So 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, 4, 6, 5, 1, 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 4, 5, 5, 5, 6, 6, 1, 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 4, 6, 5, and 6, 6. So sample space has 36 elements. Okay. So today's lecture up to this. If you have any problem related to this, you can comment on my YouTube channel. Like, share, comment, and subscribe my YouTube channel. So thank you very much for today's lecture. Thank you very much. We will see you next time.